Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi SQ8 versus the Mercedes-AMG G63. Both of these luxury SUVs offer incredible performance, but they achieve it in slightly different ways. The Audi SQ8 comes with a powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering 500 horsepower. Meanwhile, the Mercedes-AMG G63 features a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, pushing out 577 horsepower. We'll explore how these power differences translate to real-world driving. Stepping inside, both SUVs offer a premium experience, but with distinct philosophies. The Audi SQ8 presents a modern, driver-focused cockpit, featuring multiple high-resolution screens and luxurious Valcona leather seating. It emphasizes sleek design and advanced infotainment. The Mercedes-AMG G63, on the other hand, blends classic G-Wagon ruggedness with opulent Nappa leather and dual digital displays. While both are spacious, the SQ8 generally offers more cargo volume with its rear seats folded. When it comes to driving, these vehicles cater to different preferences. The Audi SQ8, with its sport-adaptive air suspension and optional all-wheel steering, delivers a remarkably composed and agile on-road experience, balancing comfort with dynamic handling. The Mercedes-AMG G63, while powerful on pavement, truly shines with its legendary off-road capabilities, thanks to its performance-tuned all-wheel drive and 3 locking differentials. It offers a rugged yet luxurious adventure. Considering the investment, the Audi SQ8 typically starts around $98,895, offering a compelling blend of performance and luxury for its price. The Mercedes-AMG G63, with its iconic status and bespoke craftsmanship, commands a higher starting price of approximately $186,100. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize refined sportiness or rugged, commanding luxury. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, find the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.